we're going to go to TotalApex.com. Once on the website, we want to look for the little person emoji in the top right-hand corner and click on Become a Customer. This will take us to the sign-in form. Here, we will fill out the required fields and create our password. Next, under Are you creating a business account, we want to select Yes and click on the arrow for company details. Here, we will fill out the company name, the main email address on file, and if you have a tax ID or reseller ID, you can include it here as well. Once we're done with the section, we will click on the arrow for legal address to fill out the field for the billing address. If you have a tax exemption certificate, checkmark the box Yes, and it will allow you to upload the PDF. If you'd like to allow our customer service team to help you with your account, please checkmark the Allow Remote Shopping Assistance. Next, just click on the I'm not a robot box, and it will ask you to identify a couple images. Once you've passed the test, click on the Create an Account and your business profile is complete.